Hello, this is Carl Schlerman. I am a solutions consultant with Beyond 20, and today's video is going to show you how to put in a Mailto link on your dashboard to be displayed on your customer front-facing portal. So to do that, we're going to come into our dashboard that we've built for our main portal landing page. And down here, you can see that I have an email section. And so what I want to do at this point is put in an email address so it'll be displayed as we want to our customers. And to do that, I can simply just bring over a text object, and then I can type in the actual text that I want to have displayed. So we'll just do helpdesk@beyond20.com. At this point, I can then format this text. I can assign it a color. We probably want to select some type of color that makes it look like a hyperlink, something that our customers can easily click on. And so I'll make it a blue color, and we'll also increase the size of it to make it stand out a little bit more and look a little bit more appealing. Or maybe not that big. We'll shrink it down a little bit. We'll go with a 16-point font for this. And so at this point, we now have our text in place, and we'll align it with our label. And we'll make this a little bit wider so we can see the entire address. Okay, so now we have the actual text on our widget that we want to display, and now we want to add that functionality piece that actually will make it such that when your customer clicks on that text, it'll actually perform an action. So to do a mail to, we're simply going to use the link, and I'm going to drag it over here. And now I'm going to modify it. I'm going to make the link the same size as the text field. So I'm going to simply select it and make it the same width and the same height. Additionally, I'm going to remove the word link. So we're going to make it appear to be transparent. Okay, so now that I have this blank field, I can then make sure that it's brought to the front, because we want this to lay on top of the help desk. And then I can move it in place with my help desk simply by making sure that it's aligned left and aligned top. Now what I can do is right click on that field for my widget properties, and we're going to go ahead and build an action. And so for the action that we want to have built for this, we're going to go ahead and create a one-step, and we're going to call it hyperlink mail to. So in that one step, we can simply go into our conditions, and we can check this box to allow the one step to be run even if no record is current. And then what we can do is use a launch URL action command. And in this URL, we simply put in our mail to : and then the email address that we want to send this to. So helpdesk@beyond20.com. I can then click on OK, and OK once again. So now we have a text field that's in the background, and then we have our newly created action command on top that does a hyperlink mail to. So once that is in place, we can then click OK on our dashboard to get out of editing mode. And you'll notice that we had some formatting issues here. So I'm going to go back into my dashboard. And we're going to deal with some anchoring on this particular object. And we're going to make sure that both of these are just anchored to the top. Now we'll back out to our dashboard. And you'll see now we have what appears to just be a link. And then when I click on that link, it pops open an Outlook window that pre-populates our email send to address. And now we have an email that's ready to be sent using the client's installed mail application. The next piece that we want to test is making sure that this same functionality works on the portal. So we're going to go ahead and open up our browser, and we're going to go to the portal for this site. And once we're at our portal, we can go ahead and log into our portal. And then we can scroll to the bottom, and you can see now we have our newly placed email address. And if I mouse over it, you can see that we changed from a cursor to a hand. And if I go ahead and click on that link, it now opens an Outlook email, pre-populates our to address, and is ready to be sent. And that is how you configure a Mailto to be used to send email from clicking on a link on your main portal or dashboard. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this video gave you something useful to use for your site builds. And as always, Beyond 20 has many different types of videos on our YouTube channel, so please check them out as you can. Thank you.